Sushant Singh Rajput was an Indian film and television actor, dancer, television personality and entrepreneur, and a philanthropist. He was born on 21 January 1986, aged 34 years old in Patna. One of his sister Meetu Singh is a state level cricketer and his mother died in 2002 and father name is Mr. K.K. Singh. On that same year, the family moved from Patna to Delhi. Rajput attended St. Karen's High School in Patna and Kulachi Hansraj Model School in New Delhi, and he had ranked 7th in the DCE entrance exam in 2003 and secured admission in the Bachelor of Engineering in Delhi College of Engineering. He was also a National Olympiad winner in physics. He cleared as many as 11 engineering entrance exams, including that for the Indian School of Mines. After he started participating in theatre and dance, he rarely had a time for studies, resulting in several backlogs, which ultimately made him leave DCE. He completed only 3 years course and dropped out to pursue an acting career. Rajput started his career with television serials. His debut show was on Star Plus romantic drama Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil in 2008 and followed by an award-winning performance in Zee TV popular soap opera Pavitra Rishta from 2009 to 2011. Rajput made his film debut in the buddy drama Kai Po Che in 2013, for which he received a nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. He then started in the romantic comedy Shuddha Deshi Romance in 2013. His highest grossing release came with a supporting role in the satire PK 2014, and his commercial success came with a sports biopic MS Dhoni The Untold Story in 2016. For his performance in the latter, he received his first nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Actor, and then he done many commercially successful films like Kedarnath in 2008, Chichore in 2019. By that all things, Sushant Singh Rajput has an estimated net worth of $8 million, in India 60.76 crore rupees, and he was the owner of expensive cars, which includes Maserati Quattroporte, which costs around $116,000 US, in India 2.58 crore rupees, and Land Rover Evoque HSE Dynamic, which costs around $55,000 US, in India 67 lakh rupees, and Sushant Singh Rajput Mumbai residence, which costs around $1.7 million, in India 13 crore rupees, and Sushant Singh Rajput girlfriend named Ankita Lokhande. It was a long relationship of 6 years and then they broke up, and on 14 June 2020, Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide. Rest in peace to the finest actor of Bollywood.